Hey tubes, Ian here, and today I'd like to show you the ATX-Pi, my new project. That's it right there, and basically what it does is interfaces with a standard ATX power supply and delivers power to a standard Raspberry Pi and signals back and forth along the GPIO cable. And it's got some connections there for a momentary switch, or in this case, a standard computer case power switch. So let's give it a shot. The standby LED is on now, just waiting for a button press. And now we are in power on mode. The power supply is running, delivering power to the Pi, and the Pi is booting. Now, why on earth would you want to use an ATX power supply to power a Raspberry Pi? It's overkill, right? Well, in my case, I'm going to be using the power supply to power some custom Bitcoin mining hardware. Other cases might involve a large array of LEDs, or maybe you want to run some water pumps, who knows. Really, anything where high current is needed can be handled by pretty much any ATX power supply. And the other nice thing is, if you do happen to integrate this into a PC case, then your standard LEDs and switch can all just hook up on the pin headers. Alright, now that we've got X started, let's open up my favorite web browser. Maybe take a little tour around the internet. See, the power supply is just running happily away, supplying power. There's also those screw terminals right here. Those will break out 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and 12 volt power. Those are only rated for 3 amps, which isn't a whole lot when compared to what your power supply can supply. But it would certainly be enough to run like a powered USB hub off of. And if you guys want to get assembly instructions or a link to GitHub or my campaign on Tindy, you can visit that website right there, kd8ssf.com/ATX-Pi. And now we'll show you the shutdown process. Basically, there was a message there at the start that pin 7 requested a system halt. And we did that by signaling on the GPIO cable. And we have a script running in the background on the Pi that's just watching that pin 7 on the header, to get the signal. And now that everything's shut off, the ATX-Pi board is back in standby mode. So we can just start it right back up. And we're booting again. So thanks for watching.